If you want to remove a green screen in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to remove the green background from your clip and place it over any video or image you want. This is a great skill for creating clean edits, fun effects, and professional-looking content right inside CapCut. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides just like this. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, open your project in CapCut on your PC. If you already have a project started, just load it up. If not, create a new one so we can begin from scratch. Once your project is open, the next step is to import the green screen video you want to edit. You can usually do this by dragging the file into CapCut or by using the import option inside the media panel. After your green screen video is imported, drag it down to the timeline. This is important because the timeline is where all of your editing happens. Make sure the green screen clip is placed on a track above your background layer because the top clip is the one that will have the green removed. Now you need to add your background video or image. This could be another clip, a photo, a gameplay recording, a scenic background, or anything you want to appear behind the subject. Drag that background into the timeline and place it on a track below the green screen clip. If the background is on the wrong layer, the effect won't work properly, so always keep the green screen clip on top and the background underneath. Once both clips are in place, click on the green screen clip in the timeline to select it. When the clip is selected, look over to the right side panel. This is where CapCut keeps most of its video settings and effects controls. In that panel, open the video section, then find and click Chroma Key. Chroma Key is the feature that lets CapCut remove a specific color from your video. In this case, that color is green. After opening Chroma Key, you'll see a color picker tool. Click the color picker, then move your cursor over the green background in your clip and select the green color. CapCut will analyze the clip and remove that selected color from the video. As soon as you pick the green color, you should see the background disappear and your subject appear over the lower layer. If the edges still look rough or if some green remains, you can adjust the settings in the Chroma Key panel to clean it up. Usually, small changes can make a big difference in how natural the final result looks. If your clip has a very bright green or uneven lighting, try selecting the most common shade of green in the background. That usually gives the best result. Also, make sure your background layer fits the timeline properly so there are no empty gaps showing behind your subject. And that's really all there is to it. You've now removed the green screen in CapCut and replaced it with your own background. This is one of the easiest ways to make your edits look more dynamic and creative, especially if you're making tutorials, gaming videos, reaction content, or short-form social media clips. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.